Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make this Christmas tree. It is with 4 layers and a star on the top. Okay. To make it, first we have to make the magic ring. Then make 1 chain and make 8 single crochets into the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4. Likewise you can make 8 single crochets. After making 8 single crochets, pull this yarn and tighten the magic ring. Then make a slip stitch here. Into the first single crochet, make a slip stitch. Okay, now the first round is finished. Then you have to make 3 chains because we are going to add double crochets into these single crochets. So this is the first DC. Then make another DC because we are going to make 2 DCs in each of the single crochets below. So here first 2 DC is done. Then into the next one also we have to make 2 DCs. 1, 2. Likewise in each stitch you have to make 2 DCs. Then all together you will have 16 double crochets because there are 8 single crochets and for each stitch we are making 2 DCs. Therefore there should be 16 double crochets. So you have to complete the second round like this. Okay, now all the double crochets are done. So you have to make a slip stitch into the third chain from the beginning 3 chains. Make a slip stitch. Now the second round is finished. In the third round again you have to make 3 chains to get the height, and in this time we are going to make 1 double crochet into each of the double crochets here. So make 1 double crochet into the next stitch, not into the same stitch, into the next stitch, then again into the next stitch. So altogether there should be 16 double crochets including this chain 3 part. Likewise you can complete. Now when you finish the making double crochets you have to make a slip stitch here. Now the third round is finished. Into the fourth round you have to make again 3 chains and a double crochet into the same place. That means 2 DC here. Then the pattern is 2 DC, then 1 DC. Then into the next stitch 2 DCs. Into the same place you have to make 2 double crochets. Then into the next DC you have to make only 1 DC. So the pattern is 2 DC, 1 DC. 2 DC 1 DC 2 DC 1 DC 2 DC 1 DC. Likewise you can complete the. Now the final double crochet is done. Then to the third chain make a slip stitch and finish the round. Now we have to do the fifth round. In the fifth round we have to make 1 DC in each of the DC below. So to get the height, make 3 chains and into the next DC make 1 DC. To the next also 1 DC. To the next 1 DC. So you have to make 1 DC into the DCs all the round. Now the fifth round is finished. You have to join to the third chain from the beginning 3 chains. Now we have to make the sixth round. In the sixth round, to get the height, we have to make 3 chains and then into the same stitch we have to make 1 double crochet. Then you have to make separate DCs, 2 DCs, 1 DC, 2 DC separately. Then make 2 DCs into the next 1, 2. Then 2 separate DCs. 1, 2. The pattern is 2 DC, 1 DC, 1 DC, 2 DC, 1 DC, 1 DC. Now we have to make 2 DCs into the same stitch. After making 2 DCs in the same stitch, you have to make 2 separate DCs. 1, 2. Okay, this is the pattern. So you have to continue. Now join to the third chain from the beginning 3 chain with the slip stitch. Now we have to make the 7th round. 7th round, to get the height we have to make 3 chains. Then into each of these double crochets you have to make double crochets. Okay, so not into this place, into the next place make a double crochet. Then into the next also a double crochet. Likewise into each of the double crochets here make 1 double crochet. At the end join to the third chain from the beginning 3 chains. Now we have finished the 7th round. Then for the round 8 make 3 chains to get the height and make 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Okay. Now you have to make a double crochet, separate double crochets into these 3 double crochets. Okay. After making 2 double crochets into the same stitch, make 3 double crochets separately into the 3 stitches below. Yes. After making 3 separate double crochets, then make 2 double crochets into the same stitch. That is the increase. After making the increase, Then make 3 separate double crochets. 2, 3. Then the increase. 1, 2. That means 2 double crochets in the same stitch. This is the pattern. 2 double crochets in the same stitch, then 1, 2, 3. Separate double crochets, then 2 double crochets in the same stitch, 1, 2, 3. Then the increase. Likewise, we have to complete. Now the round 8 is finished. Then round 9, make 3 chains. Then make 1 double crochet into each of the double crochets here. Only 1 double crochet. So this is the second double crochet here. One, 2, 3. Likewise, you have to complete making double crochets into each of the double crochets here. Now join to the third chain from the beginning 3 chains. Now the 9th round is finished. Gradually it will become a cone shaped thing. Then for the 10th round, make 3 chains to get the height and make 1 DC into the same place. Now you have to make 4 separate DCs. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 double crochets into the 4 double crochets below. Then make the increase, that is 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Then again separate 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the increase, that is 2 double crochets into the same stitch. This is the pattern. 2 double crochets, then 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 2 double crochets into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Separate 4 double crochets. This is the pattern you have to continue. Now join to the third chain from the beginning 3 chains with a slip stitch. Now the cone is, the largest cone is finished. So you have to make other cones, other 3 cones. First cone has 10 rounds. Then after making 8 rounds, you have to finish. Then it will be the second cone. Then after making 6 rounds, you have to finish the cone. It will be the third cone. And finally, after making 4 rounds, you have to finish it. That will be the fourth cone. So to make the